Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the presentation you intend to change. Once open, move to the Design tab and click the Slide Size dropdown. This is where PowerPoint stores page dimensions. Choose Custom Slide Size so you can type exact values for width and height. Make sure to pick Orientation for slides and notes now, because it affects printing and export. You're initiating the change precisely so downstream assets like images or text boxes scale predictably. Do this before rearranging content. Now you type the exact measurements you need. Whether inches, centimeters, or pixels, PowerPoint will accept whichever unit your system uses. Select slide and note orientations. Landscape versus portrait matters for print and binding. Then decide how to handle existing content. Choose Maximize to preserve size but risk cropping, or Ensure Fit to scale everything down with safe margins. Once done, visually scan a few slides to confirm text boxes and images still align, and nothing overlaps unintendedly. Finish by checking your slides in Normal View and Print Preview so you can catch layout shifts. If objects moved or text overflowed, select problematic elements and nudge, resize, or use Format Shape to restore appearance. This manual touch-up is often faster than redoing slides. When exporting to PDF, make sure embedded fonts are preserved and export settings match your new size. If colors or margins appear wrong, re-export with higher fidelity settings. This fixes most post-resize surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.